Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the quick menu on your PlayStation 4. So the quick menu, we use this a lot just to navigate our PlayStation 4 settings or go to our friends list or anything like that. Now to customize it and sort the options on the left side here, we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says customize. Then go to the right and we can see the different menu items on here. So just make sure these are check marked, otherwise they will not appear. So if I go down to share play, something I really don't use all that much, I'm going to uncheck mark it, and it will no longer show up under my list. So it can be a little bit easier to get to certain items that we want because we won't have to scroll down. Now what we could do is also go on over to where it says sort. So let's go to an option under here. Let's go to accessibility, something I probably don't use all that much. And I can drop and drag it to the top of the list, or I can bring this all the way down to the bottom. So typically, I go to power options quite a bit. So let's bring this up closer to right about here. Broadcast, I don't use all that much. Same thing with music. Online status is good. So I usually use notifications, friends list, and party. So I'll leave those at the top. Then you can also go to reset to default. Then this is what it looks like for me. So you can completely customize it and sort it the way you want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.